Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the story of Jhalkari. See page number 59 in your English textbook. It is a patriotic story of Jhalkari. So this chapter is related to 1857 revolt against the British. Jhalkari was a women soldier who played an important role in the 1857 revolt. See, Jhalkari was an orphan. Orphan means a child without parents. She was a bold and fearless little girl who loved to climb trees and swim in the river and play the games that people call boys' game. Jhalkari loved to climb the trees. She loved to swim in the river. So people used to call her that playing boys' game. The villagers liked her, for she was a willing worker and could stand long hours of strain and hardship. She was hardship. Hardship means great suffering. They often spoke of the time when she had fought a leopard single-handedly in the jungle and killed it with nothing more than a sturdy stick. Sturdy means thick. Okay, so after that, they nicknamed her Jhalkari. Jhalkari means the tigress. What happened? See, my dear students, Jhalkari was a little girl, and when she fought with the leopard, with the single-handedly she fought with the leopard and she killed the leopard. So after that, people nicknamed her as Jhalkari. Jhalkari means the tigress. See next. When Jhalkari grew up, she was married to a soldier in the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai and went to live with him in Jhansi. So, Jhalkari's husband was a soldier in Rani Lakshmi Bai's army. Jhalkari married with the soldier, and she went to live in Jhansi. So that was how the Rani chanced to see her one day. Chanced means happened. Okay, so what happened? Rani more and often time she met Jhalkari. So she shall be my companion. Who said Rani? The Rani ordered, for she liked the girl's frank and fearless attitude. See, Jhalkari's attitude and Jhalkari's nature we can see here. She was frank and fearless. So Rani Lakshmi Bai said that, ordered that she shall be my companion. Companion means friend. So they became good friends, and every day the two young women went on riding together. They used to go on riding for riding. So they fenced. Fenced means fought with sword for practice. Okay, so they fenced and wrestled and practiced shooting with revolver and gun. So these all the tasks they were used to doing. So those were troubled times, and everywhere there were rumors of war. Okay, now see, my dear students, rumors means doubtful truth. Okay, whether it is true or false, don't know, but that thing is called rumors. So they were troubled times, and everywhere that were rumors of war. The rumors about the war was that the British had expanded their territory. They had a trading company called the East India Company. British had the company. They were trading through the company, and the company name was East India Company. So what happened? British started to expand their territory. So its officers ruled the people of the land harshly. So whoever the officers were there on that land, the officers were ruling on the people very harshly. See next. In 1857, fighting broke out all over the country. Everywhere the people rose in rebellion against the foreign rulers. Rose in rebellion means decided to fight. So all the people, everywhere, all the people decided to fight against the foreign rulers, means the Britishers. The British fought back and thousands of people were killed on both sides. The war was very big and people were killed on both sides. See page number 61. In March 1858, the British troops attacked the fort at Jhansi. Their heavy guns bombarded it. See, in March 1858, British troops attacked the fort of Jhansi. And what happened? Their heavy guns bombarded it. Bombarded means attacked repeatedly. And the Rani's troop fought back bravely. Very bravely Rani's troop fought. And among them was Jhalkari. Jhalkari was also assisting to Rani. She also fought. Never once leaving her beloved queen's side, she rode from one point to another, firing at the British soldiers with a steady hand and a sure aim. Jhalkari was very brave girl, very brave lady. So she never left her hand, Rani's hand, and very steady hand and sure aim she fought for that war. See next, the enemy fell back and had not expected such a strong defense of the fort. See, the British commander telegraphed for help and more troops came rushing in. So what happened? The British commander telegraphed. Telegraph means that is a wireless method which we can send the message immediately. So he telegraphed for the help and more troops. But the army of Rani still held on. They didn't tired. They fighting the war. They were fighting the war. Sorry. When the British found that they could make no progress, they decided to gain entry into the fort. How they could gain the entry in the fort? By stealth at night. Stealth means secret manner. Okay. So how secret? What was the secret manner to get entry into the castle or into the city? See, they bribed a man named Dulaji Thakur, a gunner, who was in charge of the south gate of the fort. See, Dulaji Thakur was a gunner and he was in charge of the south gate of the fort. And Britishers decided to bribe him. Bribe means to gain favor by offering money or gift. So they decided to bribe to Dulaji. Okay, so in return for what happened? In return for a large sum of money, so Dulaji led them to a spot where there was a break in a wall and the soldiers made their way into the fort through in it. So Britishers were successful to get inside the fort with the help of Dulaji, because Dulaji had taken money from them. In the dead of night, see, as they began to climb in, Jhalkari saw them and sounded the alarm. She shouted loudly with loud cries. The Rani's army took up the fight and opened fire, and attackers fell back. So as Jhalkari shouted very loudly, she cried very loudly. So Rani's army, what they have done? They took up the fight and opened fire, and attackers fell back. The fighting continued during the days and nights that followed. Many days the fighting was continued. So though the Indian troops were full of daring, they could not withstand the British attacks. The enemy fought their way steadily until they reached the palace. See, 3 more days of fierce fighting followed. Fierce means very dangerous. So the queen's advisors begged her to go out of the fort for the safe place. See, the advisors of the Queen Rani Lakshmi Bai, they advise her that go out of the fort and go to the safe place. So though reluctant at first, reluctant means unwilling, At first, Lakshmi Bai agreed. Okay, at the last, she agreed in the end. And dressed in armor and carrying a dagger and two revolvers, she rode unrecognized through the enemy lines down the hillside and out of one of the gates. See, she was unwilling to go to go to the safe place. Then then she decided to go. Then she dressed in a armor means metal cover to protect body, and carrying a dagger and two revolvers also she took with her, and she rode unrecognizedly without knowing anyone else. She went. Okay, and Jhalkari went with her for the part of the way. As soon as she knew that Rani was safe, Jhalkari disguised in Lakshmi Bai's clothes, see, and riding her white horse returned to the fortress. Fortress means fort. So Jhalkari, what Jhalkari has done, Jhalkari was with Rani Lakshmi Bai. So she, as she saw that yes, now Rani has reached safely, so Jhalkari changed into Rani's clothes, Rani Lakshmi Bai's clothes, and she took her white horse and she came back to the fort. The British soldiers saw her and, mistaking her for the Rani as she had intended them to do, surrounded her. They led her to their commander. See, now Jhalkari has caught up, and British soldiers thought that it was Rani Lakshmi Bai. So they led her to their commander. The commander looked at the captive closely, but he was not sure that all that she was the queen. So he decided to call Dulaji. He ordered that call Dulaji at once. He ordered his soldiers. Dulaji will know. Now what Dulaji said, that we will see. See page number 62. When Jhalkari saw Dulaji, her eyes blazed with anger and she shouted. Suddenly she got angry as she saw Dulaji there. She got angry and she shouted that, "You traitor, you coward, you shameless betrayer of your people." She was very angry because she was a real patriot, right? So Jhalkari called Dulaji a traitor because he had betrayed his people and told the British troop to enter in the city. So that is why Jhalkari was very angry to him. The Englishman asked Dulaji, "Is this the Rani Lakshmi Bai?" Dulaji answered, "It is not." "Do you think it is so easy to capture the Rani?" Who said? Dulaji said, "Do you think it is so easy to capture Rani?" The commander was furious, very angry, and they had been tricked. Okay, he realized that yes, they had been tricked. Then he knew that if Jhalkari was allowed to go free, if we leave Jhalkari free, she would be dangerous, and so she was sentenced to death by hanging. So Britishers gave her punishment. First they decided that if we leave Jhalkari, it would be dangerous, that Rani or Jhalkari, they will not leave us. So they decided to give her punishment to hang till death. So what she said, "I am not afraid of dying," Jhalkari answered proudly, because she was a patriot and will always be remembered for her bravery and devotion. She said that, "I am not afraid of dying." As they laid her to her death, she shouted out the British. What she said, she warned to the British that, "Beware, you will never conquer us. We will rise again and fight back until we win our freedom." What she warned to Britishers, that beware of this, you will never conquer us. We vanish, again we will rise. We will fight, and we will gain our freedom. They shouted, "Silence!" But She would not be silenced. At the rope tightened around her neck, she cried out. What she cried out? Long live Lakshmi Bai! Long live freedom! Yes, she was indeed a brave lady, brave soldier. After suppressing the 1857 revolt, the British attacked Jhansi. The British army was well equipped with cannons and guns, but Rani Lakshmibai fought bravely and pushed the British army back. Jhalkari was from a very poor family and her husband was a soldier in Rani's fort. Rani not only made Jhalkari her friend but also gave her every respect as a friend. She had immense faith. Rani had immense faith in her. In return, Jhalkari sacrificed her life for Jhansi. She helped Rani to escape from the fort and fought the